Yes, sir.
Start, ma'am.
First of all, very very sorry
Yes, ma'am.
because last 8 days, 8 days I not अटेंड क्लास मतलब
Classes.
सही तरीके
I
से क्लास भी
understand.
अटेंड नहीं
I
करी है और
understand.
पढ़ाई
I
भी नहीं करी
understand.
है.
Okay.
ओके सर, आई स्टार्ट. टुडे इज वेरी गुड डे. आई वांट टू विजिट बट आई डोंट लाइक lonely visit. I like visit with my friend, but I have not good friend at Bhopal. Nowadays, I learning English. I speak English with my one friend, all of my friend. He is not my fast friend, but he is good human being. He does like visit with me. He does like visit with me. He is preparing exam so long time. Recently, he is attempt exam, but result not comes till time.
Mm-hmm.
I know he has passed.
Okay.
His father is a teacher. He has teached government school. My friend is very smart, but he doesn't attend the party. He is not likes attend the party. Today I am going to meet him. I called him yesterday night. Today, uh, today we are looking good. We live together, and we both go to gym. We both want become rich, and we become a plan last 2 months. Today we are going to watch movie.
Very good. Chalo. Swati, start. Swati, come on the